Hello guys, in this video I want to introduce you about Python strings. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Hello with single quotation marks is the same as hello with double quotation marks. You can display a string literal with the print around brackets function. Okay, I want to show you in my screen. Let's see. Print single quotation mark. Okay, you can see there is an output, and I want to make a different with double quotation mark plus. So the result is same. Okay. Now with the topic of assign string to a variable. Assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name followed by an equal sign and the string. Okay, I want to make a variable a equals plus. Now I want to call other variable in the print. Okay, you can see the result. Now we will discuss about multi-line strings. You can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using three quotes. Okay. For an example, a equals this is Thursday. Now I want to type is sunny day. Thank you for this day. Okay guys, now I want to type print a. You can see the result in my screen. Now I want to make the same example but with three single quotes. Okay, a equals Sister's Day. Today is sunny day, and I am very happy today. Thank you for this day. Three single quotes. Now I want to type print. Sorry. You can see the result. Next, strings are arrays. Like many other popular programming languages, strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with a length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. For example, get the character at position 1, or remember that the first character has the position 0. Okay, let's see my screen. A equals plus. I want to make print A 3. Okay, you can see S as the result. Next, looping through a string. Since strings are arrays, we can loop through the characters in a string with a for loop. For example, for y in phrase. Okay, I want to type print round brackets y in round brackets. Okay, you can see the result is phrase, but phrase arranged in a vertical side, not in a horizontal side. Next, string length. To get the length of a string, use the length round bracket function. For example, A equals phrase print length A. You can see the result is 4 because the length of phrase as a word is 4 words. Next, check string. To check if a certain phrase or character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in. For example, txt equals the best things in life are dream. Now I want to type print. Dream in txt. You can see the result is true because the dream word is in the txt sentence. But I want to show you in different ways. Now I want to type the same example, but now there is if statement. Okay, txt equals best things in life are dream. Now, if dream in txt print yes, dream is present. Okay, you can see the result. Yes, dream is present. Next, check if not. To check if a certain phrase or character is not present in a string, you can use the keyword not in. For example, txt equals The best things in life are dream. Print. Dream, not in TXT. You can see the result. The result is false because actually there is a dream word in TXT sentence, and we use the instruction of not in TXT in print, so the result is false. But if we use a different word in print, for example expensive, yes, you can get a true as the result. For example, txt equals best things in life are dream. Print. Expensive, for example. Then you can get true as the result. Now I want to make it a different ways with if statement. For example, txt equals the best things in life are dreams. Okay, if expensive not in txt, then make a print instruction. No, expensive is not present. Okay, so you can get the result like in the sentence in print. That's all from me, guys. Hopefully this video is useful, and see you in the next video.